ZX8000, you say? Aqua, you say?
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
You gonna help, are you, mate? No. Anyway, back to business. There's been a lot of hype around this shoe. So without any delay, let's crack open the box and take a look. So obviously it's the stunning Aqua colorway. There's been a lot of hype around these. People have wanted these and waited for these for years. We did have the consortium release at the back end of last year. And these are slightly different. I mean, I waited to get these, to be honest with you, because I think they're a bit brighter, a bit nicer, if you like. They're a bit lighter than the iteration from, say, what, a decade or so ago, but they're still stunning. I mean, they were stunning too. Let's have a quick toe to tongue on them. Okay, the aqua blue and the yellow contrast really stands out. Now on the insole, you do have on one foot I can. The other foot is I want. So I want, I can, as you can see there. So that's a nice little touch. Go around the back, you've got the heel support here. Again, this nice bright aqua blue. Bit of navy blue here on the middle of the shoe. I mean, overall, really nice pair of shoes. Go round the bottom. See the torsion bar. It's an iconic shoe in an iconic colorway, yeah. ZX8000's probably slightly tight, but true to size, I would go. I've not tried them on yet. I've literally just got them out the box today for the vid. So we will see. But yeah, they look really nice. I mean, the suede, it's got a bit of depth to it. It's not the smoothest quality that you'll get, but yeah, it does its job well. Again, you didn't have to break the bank for these, to be honest with you. These are okay price-wise, I think. Very fairly priced for you know, the releases that are coming out in this day and age. Yeah, so yeah, so let me know in the comments maybe if you got hold of a pair. Again, they are an iconic shoe, and you know, Instagram, Twitter is awash with people made up to get a pair. As always, kids, I will get these on foot now. You know, I mean, really nice shoe. Probably one for the summer, I would suggest, because of the colorway. Anyway, let's get these on feet. See what they look like there. Cheers. Catch you next time, kids.